All right, good morning, folks. Again, Eugene here, Bright Star Auctions, along with Randy Wade from S&W Logging. Great to have you, Randy. Oh, it's heating up down here. I had to shed a coat. I was getting warm. It's beautiful weather. Beautiful weather here in Elkin, North Carolina. We are excited. Again, I'm here with Randy, showcasing his liquidation logging operation here. He's got his complete logging operation in our Appalachian Equipment Spring Appalachian Equipment Auction here coming up day after tomorrow on March 14th. Tremendous lineup of good quality equipment, a lot of which is one owner. I'm going to let Randy tell us about his cutters here. He's got some great cutters, a John Deere and then two Cat machines. Tell us about these track cutters, Randy.
This 240 is a John Deere 245G. This was bought with about 2,800 hours on it. We retrofitted it with a Ryan's dangle head. And when we bought it, the Ryan's head was, they were fairly new to the industry. I went with Mead Equipment and checked the heads out. I went to a couple of jobs that had already been using them. It's very versatile. You can load trucks with it. You can cut, you can shovel. Very nice machine. Before we had these, we had hydro bunchers.
Oh yeah.
It got to the point where the timber was in areas that were so steep that it was easier to and much more economical to cut with a chainsaw. So when we first started, we were cutting everything with the mechanical feller, probably 60-70% of it. At the end of my career, it got to be more 30-35% mechanical and the rest chainsaw felling. But very nice, versatile machine. Same thing. The maintenance is the same on every piece of equipment.
Same as all of his equipment.
250 hour oil change, filters. Final drives were done by the John Deere dealer, engines, transmissions, undercarriage. Everything else was done by the local John Deere rep.
And always well maintained. If it didn't work for Randy or if it started to fail, there was one thing to do, and that was fix it and fix it right, because production was everything.
Well, that's why we had multiple pieces of equipment.
Right.
We didn't use all of them all at once. If one piece of equipment went down, we'd get out of it, have it fixed right away, but we had another piece of equipment to get into to continue production.
Right. Production was everything. So the Ryan's head, what year was that, Randy, that you put this new Ryan's head on here?
It was 2015, I believe.
2015.
Yeah.
It's got the continuous swivel rotation there. You can go around 360 and grab trees.
360. The head moves in all different directions. You can tilt it over and use the arms as a grapple.
Yep.
Very, very versatile.
Very versatile
head.
Yep. And that's the biggest one that Ryan makes, right?
Yes, the biggest one Ryan makes. It has quick connections on it. You take this knuckle off, you can put the bucket back on it, use it as an excavator, which is very useful.
Right.
It takes about an hour to swap the head with the bucket. So we've used it, for road building, landing installations.
Certainly, and it's got the forestry package. This one's got the complete forestry package. And one thing I noticed that stands out, Randy, on your machines, all your machines, the wheeled machines have good rubber, the track machines have good pads, good undercarriages. They're always kept up. Always kept up very good. They stand out. They stand out in the lineup. You got the Cat 320Ds, two of those, right?
These two 320Ds were used as shovel machines. We'd cut the
live heel.
We'd cut the tree down off the stump. We'd grab it with the shovel machines. They're equipped with grapple saws where we can limb, delimb, and top the trees and then lay the stem out for the grapple skidders. And that's what we use the two 320Ds. We have a 2015 that was bought new in 2015. 2013 was purchased. I've had it 5 years now. It just had a brand new undercarriage put on.
That's the one that had the new undercarriage.
Right.
It's the 2013. Yep. Brand new undercarriage. And the others look like they're not brand new, but very, very good condition.
But very stout machines.
Very stout. They got the high cab, tall cab, and yeah, very.
They can be moved legally as well. The cabs lay down so they're not over height, they're not over width, and they're right at, you have to clean them really well, but they're right at the maximum weight.
Very good.
So,
so Randy, tell me, if you were a buyer and you came out here, what would you look at in these machines to determine whether you should buy these machines or not? What would you look at? Would it be done?
I'd look at the hydraulic and the engine compartment. Certainly on the track machines, the whole undercarriage.
Right.
How far the adjustment on your idler has been out. You know, you can measure the length of your pins and your tracks.
Right.
Your browser depth.
Okay.
Just, you know, oil leaks.
Right.
Kent's really good on their equipment about hydraulic leaks. We just don't, I mean, unless you blow a hose, or blow an O-ring or something like that, we just don't have hydraulic issues with them.
And a lot of that is because you maintain your pieces too.
If we see a spot of oil, hydraulic oil, anything like that, because we have multiple pieces of equipment, we can shut that thing down and get it worked on right away and not lose production.
Yep.
And that was the goal in acquiring all of this equipment.
Certainly, and I could see that. Anybody that knows the equipment's going to see that this equipment from S&W, it really stands out, guys. And like Randy said, dry equipment, well maintained, very good condition. It'll stand out. So check it out. Randy's also got a nice lineup of tractor or trailers, log trailers, like 20 log trailers, or a dozen, maybe with 12 log trailers. We've got like 20 log trailers here, great log trailers, so check those out. He's got several really good knuckle booms, and the list just goes on and on. So we hope to see you all out here. We have over 260 pieces of heavy equipment that are all selling unreserved this Thursday, March 14th. So don't miss out. Come on out. We'd love to see you here on site. We'll feed you free lunch. If you can't make it on site, we hope you're tuned in online. See you all. Thank you very much, Randy.
All right.
Thank you very much. God bless. Thank you.